welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have another haul for you. This time it is from Dollar Tree, and the items that I am going to be showing you today are all meant for upcoming DIYs. Now, just like my other video, this video was supposed to be filmed during the quarantine time before it was quarantine, so this was part of a March or April video. Barely getting it out to you now. Again, like I said, I was in a quarantine funk. Now I am just wanting to film everything in one day. That's also why you're gonna see me in the same clothes for the next couple of videos. Perfectly fine. I frankly don't care. There's bigger things for us to worry about anyways, but I wanted to show you these items. Most of these items are still available in store. I'll let you know if I think some of them won't be available and what you could substitute them for in my DIYs. Also, the Dollar Tree website does have a lot of things on there. Some of them may be out of stock because, just like me, you're not the only one wanting to get all of these amazing craft items that they recently came out with. But my store is really good at staying stocked up. I also have about 5 different Dollar Trees really close to where I live that I can go check out. So whatever I don't find in one, I'm pretty sure I can find in the other. But anyways, a lot of talking. Let's just get into the video. Before we do though, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. And don't forget to also like this video if you want to see more like it, and leave me a comment down below. That really helps my channel to grow. Again, I have really big plans for my channel and what's to come, so thank you for that in advance. On to the first item. They have been having a lot of wood. I don't even know what to call it. They have a lot of wood crafts now at the dollar store. I did get this beautiful heart. I love that it is nice and long. Obviously, it was only $1, and it is wood hanging decor. I bought a total of 3. Nope, my bad. I bought a total of 4. I'm planning on painting this. Can't wait to show you what I do. I think I'm going to do 2 different designs. And then I bought 3 of the same, but in the star shape. And I don't know if I'm going to do these for the 4th of July now, or if I'm just going to keep them for Christmas. I think I'm going to do them 4th of July and then go buy some more for Christmas. Because again, these are lovely and they are really thick. As part of their wood crafts, I also bought 3 packs of these wood craft cubes. It comes with 36 and it's just cute little cubes. I have different ideas of what I want to use these for, so again, stay tuned for how I use these. Now, I have always liked to buy their craft dowels, but this time they had these longer ones, and this is a pack of 10 just like the other one, and they're really nice. I have several things that I want to use these for, and I believe they had also longer ones, or maybe just a little bit smaller, because I think like this size is the standard ones. But anyways, I loved these for $1. You really cannot beat that. Again, for all of my wood crafting, they did have some woodwork glue. It's 2 ounces. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna let you know how good this works. I think I'm gonna do a all Dollar Tree woodcraft, mainly to test this out, and I'll let you know. I felt like I had more wooden things, but I guess that's it. I did also buy 2 packs of these little orbs, and these are just like the medium brown ones. They come 4 a pack. Before they used to come in 6 a pack, but now it's just 4. I also bought some, it's called pop dot tape, but it's kind of like mounting tape, and it comes in 3 different sizes, and you cut them to size. I don't know why it says pop dot tape. I thought pop dot tape was different, but anyhow, this is, all of these items are from the Crafter Square like new brand that they have there. From the same brand, I did buy this item that I'm so happy to have found, and it is finger protectors, and it comes with a pack of 3. I only saw them in this like hot pink color, but basically you put them on your finger and it fits my tiny fingers. Nothing ever fits me because I have a really tiny hands, but this is for when you are working with, what's it called, hot glue, and you need to press something down. You usually end up burning your fingers. Best part is it comes with 3. Really excited to have found these. I really recommend that you take a look online at the Dollar Tree website and check out all the items that they have for their crafters corners. They do have some of them online, or when things settle down and you feel comfortable going to the store to take a look, because they do have a lot of good items, especially in the wood crafts area. I didn't buy what I didn't need, but they have, again, some pretty good stuff. Another thing that I bought, and this was over by the Decor, they had this nautical rope, and usually they have like the brown one that looks like, it's like a thick jute one. I have a very specific project in mind with this, so I bought 2 of them. Also from the regular Decor aisle, I did buy some of these moss balls. It comes in, in a 2-pack, and this is just their regular floral garden line, but they are actually orbs instead of like the stone looking ones, and they're not the grassy kind. It's actually moss. They did have these in a pack of 3 or 4, maybe it was just 2 again, in a smaller size. I did buy those, but again, since I bought these items a long time ago, I did already take them out of the packaging and they're already stored away with my other Decor. And I know why I thought I had more wood stuff is because I do have more, but it's items that I had bought for Easter DIYs. Since I'm not going to do those anymore, I don't think there's any point in showing you, so I'm just going to keep those out of this video. So on to the next item. Now this item, very excited to have finally found, because stores have been bringing them out little by little, and very slowly. I had already seen some other people talk about this, but I was finally able to find, I was finally able to find yarn, and this is a really good bunch. I love the thickness that it is. This has 131 yards, so this is quite a bit. I bought it in this beautiful like fuchsia color. This beautiful, I'm gonna say beautiful on every color, okay, because I think that they are beautiful. I bought this orange color, this lovely purple. Purple is one of my most favorite colors, especially this like really nice and deep purple. And then this like a teal blue. I was gonna say aquamarine, but that's not the color at all. This really nice light yellow. This one is kind of like an orange mixed with a mustard-y color. It's coming up really bright on camera. It's a little bit duller. And this is really nice and dull pale yellow. Again, beautiful color. And then there's beautiful bright light green. I love all of these colors, especially. Let me show you. I can't pick them up. Oh, they also had white, but I have enough white yarn. I absolutely love all of these colors together. So I'm going to be using these for different projects. Stay tuned for that. I do have some other yarn I bought. Let me bring that and show it to you. I just forgot where I stored it and I just remembered where. Okay, I found only one of them. I did buy 2 more kinds of yarn, and let me show it to you like this. It is this boutique chic yarn, and it has these adorable fluffy pom balls. This is like chenille, and I think that's actually what it is. Nope, it doesn't say what it is, or maybe I just can't find it, but it is in this very light, it's like ivory. Well, that's what it says, ivory. But I absolutely love it. I did buy 3 of them. The other one I already opened it because I wanted to see what this was, and that's just how it's kept together. It doesn't mean that it's unraveling, but I think maybe that's why people didn't buy it, and then they ended up at Dollar Tree, which is fine for me. Again, I bought 3. Definitely going to be saving these for Christmas DIYs. because that's the vibe that these are giving me. The other one was a really pretty, again, like another like chenille type or like velvety. I think it was velvety, but again, I can't find it. It's somewhere in my decor stash, and it is a very, very beautiful emerald green color. I regret that I only bought one that time. I should have just bought them all. But again, I'm being nice and I wanted other people to have found them. But again, I'm sure whoever else got them bought them all, because I went the next day to get one more and they were all gone. And there were a lot when I left. And again, these were bought a long time ago. I don't think you'll be able to find these anymore. These are just some of those things that they have a couple of that it was just like over, like surplus from another store, or things that didn't get bought again at those other stores. But anyways, that's it for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know which item was your favorite. Also, let me know if you have checked out the new, what's it called, Crafter Square section at your local Dollar Tree. They have a lot of good stuff. I wish that I had filmed this before. That way I would have been able to include some in-store footage of all of the things that they have, but I don't go into Dollar Tree unless I have to, and I don't want to spend any unnecessary time just looking around. Oh, I did want to let you know they have these really nice gift bags for just different things. They always come out with new ones depending on the season, and the summer ones are adorable. They have really good party stuff. Again, I didn't touch or pick up anything because that's not what I was there for, but I do know that they have them. If you stop on by or need something like that, make sure that you check that out at your local Dollar Tree. Again, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified for all of my upcoming videos. And I have a lot of good DIYs planned with every single one of these items that I showed. So make sure to come back for the next video. Leave a comment on those questions that I asked earlier. And you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.